Amidst the shelves of forgotten stories, a high school student stumbles upon a mysterious journal. The cryptic journal beckons with its foreign allure, promising hidden secrets waiting to be uncovered. With determination in their eyes, they embark on a digital quest, using technology to unravel ancient mysteries. The discovery of the hidden map sets their journey in motion, guiding them towards an unknown destination. Their footsteps echo in the night as they venture deeper into the unknown, chasing the whispers of untold riches. Unseen eyes track their progress, hinting at a deeper connection to the elusive treasure they seek. The threshold of the cave beckons with the promise of riches, drawing them into the heart of a forgotten world. Their hands tremble with the weight of history as they unearth the treasure, a testament to the enduring legacy of a lost civilization. With cameras rolling, they embrace their role as cultural ambassadors, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of discovery.